Hobby English Lab.
Welcome back to the Hobby English Lab. I am Mika.
And I am Alex. Good to have you here.
Today's hobby is very important for morning people.
Coffee.
Yes, I want to join a coffee tasting workshop.
Wonderful. A room full of people carefully drinking tiny cups.
Tiny cups make everything feel serious.
Yes. If the cup is small, people start saying artistic things.
Like what?
This coffee tastes like a rainy library.
Please drink some water, Alex.
Good advice.
Coffee language can be difficult. Fruity, smoky, bright, chocolatey.
But we do not need to be experts. Simple English is enough.
We can say, it smells nice. It tastes sweet. This is my favorite.
Exactly. Honest coffee English?
Have you ever tried to sound smart at a tasting?
Yes. I once said, this coffee tastes round.
Round?
The teacher nodded, so I survived.
Today, let us survive with simple phrases. Hi, is this the coffee tasting workshop?
Yes, welcome. Please take a seat.
Thank you, I am excited.
Great. We will try 3 coffees today.
What kind of coffee is this?
This is from Colombia.
It smells nice.
Yes, please take a small sip.
It tastes a little sweet.
Good. Some people taste chocolate too.
I like the smell.
The smell is very important.
Can I try another one?
Of course, this one is from Ethiopia.
Oh, this is different.
Yes, it is brighter.
This is my favorite.
Nice, you found your coffee.
What kind of coffee is this? Is a nice first question.
Yes. You can use what kind of for many things.
What kind of tea is this? What kind of bread is this? What kind of cheese is this?
What kind of Monday is this?
Usually a difficult one.
The answer in the role play is, this is from Colombia. Coffee often comes with place names.
That makes the conversation interesting.
And then we have simple taste words. It tastes a little sweet.
A little is useful. It sounds gentle.
It tastes a little sweet. It tastes a little bitter. It tastes a little fruity.
It tastes a little like I can answer email now.
Powerful coffee.
I like the smell. That is simple and natural.
Smell is very important for coffee.
Also bread.
Also flowers.
Not running shoes.
Please do not smell running shoes in a serious way.
Good public advice.
Coffee tasting can make people nervous because they think they need special words.
But if you say, it smells nice, that is enough.
Yes, you can be honest. I like this one. This one is strong. This one is not for me.
Not for me is a useful soft phrase.
Very useful. It means I do not like it, but politely.
Can I say, this coffee is not for me?
Yes. Better than making a sad face for 10 seconds.
Can I try another one? Is also useful.
Yes, coffee, tea, shoes, perfume, samples at a market.
Can I try another one? Very dangerous at a bakery.
Very dangerous.
And this is my favorite, is a warm final phrase.
It is clear and happy. People like hearing it.
Unless you are choosing between friends.
Do not do that.
Let us practice simple taste lines.
It tastes a little sweet.
It tastes a little bitter.
I like the smell.
This one is not for me.
This is my favorite.
Nice. Simple, useful, and not too poetic.
But Rainy Library is still available.
Hi, is this the coffee tasting workshop?
Yes, welcome. Please take a seat.
Thank you. I am excited.
Great. We will try 3 coffees today.
What kind of coffee is this?
This is from Colombia.
It smells nice.
Yes, please take a small sip.
It tastes a little sweet.
Good. Some people taste chocolate too.
I like the smell.
The smell is very important.
Can I try another one?
Of course, this one is from Ethiopia.
Oh, this is different.
Yes, it is brighter.
This is my favorite.
Nice, you found your coffee.
Today we practiced coffee tasting English.
Try saying, it tastes a little sweet. Simple descriptions are enough.
And if your coffee tastes like a rainy library, maybe tell a friend.
Or write a poem.
Thanks for listening and see you next time.